Dad yelling, mom always wanting divorce. Dad calling mama a whore. Drunk, been drinking all weekend. A couple of chords, a couple of doors are broken, cover the floor. Damn, he's always told never to tell. If anybody finds out, he'll be put in a cell, hit with a belt. There will be nobody to help, and so he prays every day while he's stuck in this hell. All to himself, he holds every ounce of it in. All the kids who have things always laughing at him. All the teacher sees pain, but he's playing pretend. Playing with friends is something he wishes he can, but nobody wants to give him a chance. Nobody wants to be with a man. Been looking to the future, but the future is so far in advance. Looking at the alcohol in his hand, like damn, like why God? Why do I do this again? And why am I getting so drunk? See, my dad was a drunk, I don't wanna be him. I know I'm searching for feelings, I thought I could find them in bottles of gin. I'm tired of losing my faith and then looking to fake to replace all my feelings within. I don't wanna lose myself, lose myself. I don't wanna lose myself, just to run Silicon Kingdom with you, with you. I don't wanna lose myself, lose myself. I don't wanna lose myself, just to run Silicon Kingdom with you, with you. She's supposed to read another message, whole slut, stupid and fake. She doesn't know how much she can take. She's looking at her body, it's a body that she plans to replace. Fake, everything all over her face, fake.